Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo jaso eye dwumedia efia pokua avimledi e na hosting na omo ye discussion efa Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne nsemode ebetu dwa se Ghana ye ma no akwenya obetimi abeye na ensem nchirechiremu no e na nipa ya okase e kire se NDC ni bi NDC strong NDC member a oye ni PhD in mining or sending a message or the message in clear evidence a what say no. So Vice President Dr. Bawumia timi aba be kase say oba be a bank na mo amoye mining no mo abedi sika e de akwa koshem oba kire mo ha wo si e mining say na be ya yensu amo say na yensu na yedido ayeti galamse na tu betwa dia and na Vice President Dr. Bawumia he did a manner obetimi aboa oman Ghana. Now you see me I understand say enyema enkoye enyema one not to be enkoye I understand but say Ghana dey change didi o na mo amu use Land Cruisers they used to Benz cars they used to in cars akese no some most of motor diesel motor petrol boom echo up and down Christmas you kohwe ba e your friend say programs omo ye yina da bia bobe che say vast day ya wodi kuranya sankotoa nti sika na wo se ani o man ni monument ase o e na NPP fo ho aye Ghana fo ahia na che say wo dwe ho won ti ase na niam pa his excellency na adan kwakufu ado abaye no Ghana fo ato agu e na sameja mfi mu tu futuru gu and some Vice President Dr. Bawumia bekan na the NDC fo fa wo man say and some yansa some Vice President bekan yo the sameja mfi gina so ne say Vice President so obo betwa yi level nti on ti ase na sameja mfi yi level okay Bawumia so no the by Vice President Dr. Bawumia so no the by also about between go cross back menwe ya ha on say sameja mfi se chinchina yi level no Vice President Dr. Bawumia no search no the by Ghana for nto abenti na yansa sem no kai no and they want habo flat rate mining for omo beye che say ye friend say school for graduate omo national service oba option opa obeye opa wonye ene sa no jobs available obefa kwan obepe kwan obefa so be create jobs ntu wie ya okwakoye wadwuba anase okwakoye national service and she say some vice president Dr. Bawumia kan bebe in NDC for antio yi levy na taxes e wa bra mo so mo ti abe mo de taxes gu ye so NDC for mo ti abe mo ama ye tax na condom kra mo NDC for mo penso mo kofa Joyce e ni chima the whole world e bo ace hu da wuru no mo penso kra mo to mo de tax e to condom so se na be ya condom ne bu be ya de amanfo ntumi nto na ye se ebu nso mo na mo bo ace hu da wuru NDC what do you want Mwamu ni mini amope. Mwamu ni mo left from all right because in some mo can hwe kwem. But memeti ase say a politics na moye. But I will be happy say Ghana for better ase say it's just politics and na NDC 4 years ni yehu kwan e be fa so e be tutu ya na mo. But see ehu ni say a politics na NDC 4 year. Ni ehu say NDC 4 do yen nti na omo kasa de a. Ene na ye boa papa. Ene na e be san so back to zero. Na nyame ya no mapenda da wi a di obeba no asanso di yakwa NDC for by hands up back to zero because journalists for mo e ka no kwai no bia be ka kire wo say NPP for by nanado you is okay enyama his excellency aye nyama keto a Ghana for me news o mo ani afrefru so why what can we do as want you se won hu bio ojo hu kwa won tias and just the economy no nipa na ka economy nko tias mara yenti nzema abranti ede etu edwa
so you know sector by sector by sector by sector
Avia for the first time good about bonting nooks about bonting miners about bonting spare parts dealers aboso kan swami omunyina about bonting almost every sector in this country or can be before. In fact, different institutions na ba bontin say papa na ni so ade hunu ne nsem a ode tu dwane de nyame anim nukure ni say ye ka say asem a ye hwehwe african de ni hɔ a asem no na waka no nukure no na waka no de edi mu na waka no hwɛ madam fu bi me de ma no si oye NDC ni oye ni PhD in mining ana or sending me message na you say sabi o men kan bibi no bi nka se e bi antro na metwa enti me pese me ne message no ka me kan bibi kakra bi na wo hu o send me message and o say o kofi na me fa yewra Bawumia speech no ema no and I'm na me nia NDC ni de me fa Bawumia speech ema o sa anye den and also working kind parts of the speech na se sa na wo hu ne de and yanka very interesting.
Okay.
And I'm send this speech, at the man. To me spend this speech in the man. Me backing kind a year. Just me money.
Briefly, not time
briefly. Oh yeah, now say, do you have a work breakdown structure for his vision about gold mining? And I may respond, they say, NDC man, why do you need the speech? So I say, I believe any government that ensure the implementation of what Dr. Bawumia said is what Dr. Bawumia is envisioning about gold mining, Ghana will be a better place. And I'm sending a speech, And I just finished reading the speech, the part, the mining part, Tell him for this, I will join the team to make it a reality. Owie was sending ne speech or sending the PhD thesis on mining at the Bremi. And I can send it to you so that Ubetimini a tier 4 account, you don't have to mention his name. Or sending the PhD thesis. Also, Kofi, everything I have spent the last 3-4 years researching on how to ensure proper mining in this country. And
about me, okay.
It is Obetimi way. I will join him for him to be successful on the mining bit.
Okay. Next week we can go into the mining sector proper. Yeah. Mining proper. And we'll go into that. That's a big area.
Other aspect or can be
other places. Other places, but we'll go into it. Say a whole year. We'll see next week. Somebody more plan be better. And we'll see we'll do
I know your campaign and
okay.
And then he will be talking. He will expand on a lot of the things he said.
Okay. All your question and answers. No more to me questions.
Don't worry.
Nina beba. Okay. Very well. Go be my phone see and I'm time now can mo nkofo so nchire imagine on that
me da obi ase nyame sha
be. Omo da se baby. That's say obejo ni ye. Ye no abema kofi chire e wo